inflatable snowman. So hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you could fix your blow-ups if they're starting to fray like that. If they're starting to fray like that, you're going to do this. You're just going to prop up the phone. There you go. So you're going to need electrical tape. Damn it. Prop the phone up on something else. Alright, get the perfect shot. So you're going to need electrical tape, wire cutters or scissors, a steak knife, and an old empty water bottle. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take your water bottle and your knife. You're going to cut the head off the water bottle like this. You're going to start a hole and then you're going to get in with your scissors and just cut the rest away. And then you're going to cut it. Then once you get this part off, you're just going to throw it in the trash. Just like that anymore. So what you're going to do next is you're going to cut off, like, you see this area? You need the flat area and you're going to need a little bit of the bumpy area. So first, to get the plug part ready, you're going to take a little bit of electrical tape. Orders on Amazon for about $3. I'll leave a link. And yeah, once you get your electrical tape, take a nice piece like this, cut it, and tape it around the area that's fraying. And you get a nice thin layer on there. Start running it up if you need to. And now it's on. And next you're going to take this. You're going to cut a chunk off. Like this. And then you're just going to take a nice strip like that. And probably another one like that. You're going to roll it. And you take it and you're going to make sure it's dry. Dry it up with like your shirt or a paper towel or something so you can see. There it is. Next, you're going to take your adapter plug. Oh no, this is next. You're going to take this. You're going to cut off the top with your scissors. Just cut around it. Throw that away. Well, this part might be a little. Maybe get like a bigger chunk like this, because I feel like if you got like one of these, like ones that you really like a bigger chunk like that. I know it won't fit. Just throw that in the trash and keep this part though. And then you're gonna take the thing and cut that off. You could use your knife or your scissors and then use the knife. Very cut like that. Nick it. Get this piece. Kind of make it so it's rolled. That, and then you're going to wrap it like that. So your next step is you're going to take this and you're going to take this part of the water bottle, get a little strip of electrical tape, Get some electrical tape. And attach it like that to the end of the plastic right there. And then you're gonna do this. Just begin wrapping it. Just get it nice and tight and good like that. You're gonna take your electrical tape. Then get some nice strip about this long. So roughly a foot long. And then you're gonna take stupid electrical tape. Alright, and then you're gonna take this and you're just gonna wrap it all the way around your clear stuff. Start at the top where it's open. And just wrap it down and down and down and down. Just get your electrical tape around like that. And then you're just going to want to get it really nice. Bond with the electrical tape so no water could seep in there. Just get it around like that. You're going to take your piece of plastic and repeat the step. And then take your electrical tape, find the end. Cut it. And then just repeat it. And then tape that like that. So pretty much do that. Step again. Get the electrical tape. And go around it good. And you're just going to want to get electrical tape around it nice and tightly. Nice and tightly. And then round 2, just repeat the step. Repeat the step. Just repeat it. Dry it off. Dry it off. Dry your electrical tape. And just keep repeating this process until you're at a bottle. Just keep repeating the steps. So I'm going to pause the video so you don't have to just constantly stare at me doing this, and I'll be back in a little bit. Pretty much this is the final product. Should look something like that. And now it's just a matter of testing it. Nothing should bend. It should be good. I don't know where I'm going to be putting that one. Oh, I think I might put it in the middle of the yard. Yeah, it's cute. Yeah, I think I'm going to put him right next to my 6-foot number 1 penguin, along with my 4-foot penguin. So yeah, we could have stepped on that further than that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Inflatable Fan 45 here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See ya.